How to upload your videos to your YouTube channel the right way. Have you been struggling with watch hours and subscribers count? Are you aware that the way you are uploading your videos to your YouTube channel really matters a lot? So in this video, I'll be teaching you the practical steps on how to actually upload videos the right way and 5 mistakes you are to avoid. So meaning this video have got you covered. In case the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and let's go. As a YouTuber, I will always advise you post your video from the YouTube studio. Now, using the YouTube studio to post your video, this gives you an upper chance or upper hand of having your video perform well or go viral, because there are so many settings or so many things you will see here that you might not see in this place. And now you can use any browser of your choice, either Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. Now let's head to the screen. Search now with your browser, search for YouTube Studio and then click on the YouTube Studio. When it opens, then when you click on it, it's going to bring you to your channel just like this. And if this is not your channel, you can easily switch. All right. So at your top right, you're going to see create. So when you click on that create, you're going to see uploads. Now go ahead and click on the upload. So it's going to bring you here where it's now telling you that drag and drop video files to upload, but I would advise you click on select files. So it's going to bring you to your laptop location or your phone location where you save the video. Now make sure that you already renamed your file, meaning rename your video before even uploading it. So I've already actually renamed it before even uploading it. So after you have selected the video you want to upload, then you go ahead at your you can see this is upload. Look at where I'm pointing, upload. So go ahead and click on it. So now you give it some seconds for the video to be uploaded. Now if you take a close look at the title, you can see that it's not showing MPs, it's not showing numbers, it's not showing alphabet or symbols. It's showing title, meaning this will enable the algorithm to easily relate with your video and help that video perform better. Now I will continue now. So now you can see how to the video comes out as how to upload to your YouTube how to upload to YouTube right. Okay, then I will continue by saying and 5 mistakes to avoid. That's the title of this video. The reason why I'm using this keyword is because I want anybody that is trying to search for any of this, they will see my video. Then come to your description. Your descriptions matters a lot. Do not joke with your description. You can go to ChatGPT, give ChatGPT your title, and it will give you a description. You can see what I have here. Now, after you are done with your description, meaning you've done title, you've done description. Now let's go to thumbnails. Your thumbnails matters a lot. Now, also click on thumbnail. Now you can see my thumbnails. I've already renamed my file, my thumbnail, even before uploading it. You can see I've renamed it. Then you go ahead and also click on upload. Now you can see how beautiful these thumbnails is. You can see how it look like. All right. So now after we've done this, let's go to another interface, which is playlist. I've taught you guys how to create playlists. So now if you've not watched that video, this is the video here on how to create playlists. Now this video is about YouTube, so I will add it to YouTube playlist and I'll click on after selecting it, then I'll click on done. You can see done in that place. So now when you click on it, now let's scroll down and you see this place now, audience. Make sure that your audience, if the video you are uploading is not for children, make sure you select no, it is not made for kids. Okay, then you click on see more. Now scroll down. If this video you are posting is for advert purpose, you can select that button. But if it is not a paid promotion video or a paid advert, make sure that you do not click on it. Okay, now if this video is also AI video, let YouTube know. If it is AI, you choose yes, but if it is no, you choose no, because this video now is not AI video, so I choose no. Now make sure that your automatic chapters is ticked. Your future plays is also ticked. Then allow automatic concept is also ticked. This button enable your viewers or audience to easily relate with your videos properly. All right. Now, after you've done this, let's come to our tags. Your tags is very important. Your tags is the keywords that people are looking for or searching for. All right. Now you can see I have several tags. If anybody come to YouTube and type any of those letters, YouTube will suggest my video to them. Now, Let's come to this place. Look at video language. Make sure you select the language of your video. For example, I'm making this video in English. So I'm going to make sure that I click on that video language and then scroll down and look for English or select English. Many of you don't do this, which is not okay. So just let's scroll to English, and this is English. I'm going to be using English United States. Okay, so you click on it. Now, the next thing we're going to be making sure is that we post this video to the right category. So come down, you're going to see category. Okay, you can see category. You click on that, you make sure that my category of content is how to do something. So I will leave my own is how to and style. Okay, then after I've done all this, I make sure that everything is okay. Then I will go ahead and click on next. Okay, now when I click on next, you can see we have subtitle. Many of you are underrating this subtitle. You can see the subtitle say reach a broader audience by adding subtitle to your video. Meaning if I add subtitle to this video, it will enable you to reach more or wider audience. Then you are going to see ad. When you click on that ad, YouTube will enable you to upload the auto captions, or you can type it manually. Okay, now there are apps that you can use in generating your captions, and then you upload it. And after you've done that, you go ahead and click on done. All right, now end screen. End screen is very important. End screen is what people get to see. End screen is what people get to see after they are finished watching your video. All right, now when you click on that add end screen, you're going our advice is you select that particular one so that it will not cover your face, it will be down. Okay, now you can see is in best for viewers, but our advice, you come to this that says you can choose either most recent upload, or best for viewers, or the down one, which is choose specific video, the down one. So the reason why I'm going to be choosing a specific video is because I want to showcase my video to a specific video to my viewers at the end of this video. So when you click on it, it's going to enable you to choose a video of your choice, and now you can see how the video look like. Okay, then you go ahead and click on save. Now after you've done this, the next thing we can as well add to our video is cards. Cards gives you the opportunity to promote or advertise other videos to your audience or to your viewers within your videos. Okay, now when you click on ads, it's going to bring you here. Look at that line you see me touching. You can drag that line to any place you want to put cards, or you want to promote any video of your choice. Cards means advertising videos in between your when people are watching your videos, you can advertise more videos to them. So when you click on that place, you click on the plus button, which enable you to do what, to choose any video of your choice, and you can repeat the process. For example, I'm adding 2 cards to this video, and you can see what I'm doing. Okay, you click on the that plus, and then click on video, and then select another video you want to add. So we've just added 2 cards to this video. So now you go ahead and click on save. All right, now after you click on save, then you click on next. Now we have to make sure that this video does not have copyrights. You can see if this video is clean, there's no copyright in this video. You can see everything is marked green, meaning there's no copyright in the video. Then you go ahead and click on next. Now this visibility is where especially the new YouTubers are making the mistakes. Many of them feel like they should just put their video in public. They put their video in what? In public. Meaning they feel and actually that's a default setting from YouTube. So when they select public, this give them problem. But our advice, always unlist your video for 2 hours. That's why you can always see me privating my video or unlisting my video. I don't just post my video to public because I always want to make sure that everything is fine. The thumbnails, the title, the descriptions, everything is fine before my video goes to public. So I would choose unlist. Okay, so also choose unlist. This will enable the algorithm to know who to suggest your video and also help process that video properly. Now before you click on save, look at this down. Many people don't pay attention to this place. YouTube is asking you, I hope they are asking you, do kids appear in this video? So you have to make sure you understand this place. You have to make sure. That's why whenever you are recording your video, avoid children around. Okay, avoid it. Now after you've done that, you click on save and you can see video published. Do you see it now? How to upload to YouTube, right, and 5 mistakes to avoid. Now if you come if you come to this place now, you can see the video have been uploaded on my channel, but it is unlisted. Unlisted means nobody will see this video unless me or anybody unless the person I share the link with. Nobody will see this video. I am the only one that will see this video until I want it to go live. You can see other videos are in public, but this particular video is in unlisted. The reason why we are unlisting this video is because we want to give it time to process, and then also this will also help us to put every other things in place. Should in case we now feel like, oh, that's not the right title, or oh, that's not the right thumbnail, oh, that's not the right description. These 3 hours that we're going to be listing this video, this can help us correct these mistakes. All right. Now, having understands how to upload your videos the right way on YouTube. Now, let's talk about 5 things you now need to avoid. Okay. Now, after you've uploaded your video, don't delete it. Yes, don't. I've seen some of you, when you upload after 48 hours, you see, I mean, that is after 2 days, maybe the video is not performing the way you want, you now go and delete it. No, don't do that. Okay. Number 2, do not change the title or do not change the thumbnail yet. Just leave it. Because sometimes video take a week and start picking up, or sometimes even a year and start picking up. So do not change title and do not change thumbnail. Okay. Now, number 3, do not just don't share the links to WhatsApp. Yes, the reason why I say you shouldn't, because if your recommendation is coming from WhatsApp, it is wrong. Allow YouTube to be the one recommending your video. If it is another person that is now sharing your videos to WhatsApp, then no problem. But to you yourself, do not share your video to WhatsApp. Okay. Now, number 4, do not do all those sub for sub, or I've watched your video, come and watch mine. Don't do all those. Don't you are manipulating views. Okay. Don't do that. Okay. Just allow your video to perform on its own. And number 5 thing you need to do, you as a YouTuber, immediately you post that video, watch it by yourself and then drop a meaningful comment. In short, if you have a second phone, also, because your video need immediate engagement, so do this. When you do this, this will enable your videos to perform very well. I notice you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button. This will mean a lot to me. Now, I haven't shown you how to upload your video the right way, and then also show you 5 things you need to avoid. I will also advise you, in case you are new on YouTube, I will advise you take on a challenge of posting regular, as like be consistent. Yes, and then always make research before you make your video. This will enable you put out quality video. Make your research or make your findings. All right. So now, before I will see you in my next video, I will advise you watch, if you want to learn how to create playlists, I will advise you watch this video. All right. And again, maybe you want to learn how to create thumbnails, I will also advise you watch this video. Now, before I will see you in my next video, if you want me to create any video for you, I will advise you go to comment section and leave me a comment, and I will show you how to do that. And again, you can go watch this video. All right. See you in my next video. Bye bye.